Dear students of Standard 7, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class of English for today. Unit 3, What are friends for? Lesson for A Sad Day for Farabi. Students, let us focus on the summary of the lesson today. We can see here, one day Farabi was sitting, bending his head down. He was looking sad. His hair was untidy and ruffled. Farah asked Farabi if he was okay or not. She also asked him the reason of his sadness. At first, Farabi did not want to talk, but on Farah's insisting, in reply, Farabi said that his name was dropped by his friend Harun from the upcoming interclass football tournament. When Farabi wanted to know why his name was dropped, Harun did not even talk to him, and so Farabi was sad. Now, lesson 5. In lesson 5, we can see Flora trying to make Farabi understand, telling him not to take the matter seriously and not to be sad. She also tells Farabi a story, The Best Friends. The story is of two friends who once were walking through a desert. After a while, they began to quarrel. A friend slapped the other in the face. After that, they kept walking and stopped near an oasis. Then the friend who was slapped started going down in the quicksand, but he was saved by his friend. Now, let us read the story, The Best Friend, which Flora tells Farabi in lesson 5. Two friends were walking through a desert. After a while, they had a quarrel, and one friend slapped the other in the face. The friend who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, he wrote in the sand, "Today my best friend slapped me in the face." They kept walking until they found an oasis. There they decided to take a bath. The one who was slapped before got stuck in the quicksand and started going down, but his friend saved him. After he was saved, he wrote on a stone, "Today my best friend saved my life." The friend who slapped and saved his best friend asked, "After I hurt you, you wrote in the sand, and now you write on a stone. Why?" The other friend replied, "When someone hurts us, we should write it down in the sand. The wind can erase it away. But when someone does something good for us, we should engrave it on stone, so no wind can erase it." After telling the story, Flora asked Farabi if he had understood the moral of the story. Farabi nodded and smiled. "Yes, we should forget our hurts but remember our good deeds forever." Dear students, can you also understand the moral of the lesson and the story? It is that when someone does something wrong to us, it should be written in the sand so the winds can erase it. That means the hurt or the pain we get, we must let it go and forgive the person. If we don't do so, we will not be able to develop relationship with others. Sometimes a friend may do something wrong, even he may hurt us. But we must not punish them, rather, we should forgive them. Because forgiveness, we know, gives us mental peace. It removes bitterness from the depth of our heart. Dear students, remember that negative experiences are an inevitable part of our life. Difficult experiences make us stronger and help us appreciate the pleasurable moments in life. To forgive someone is the highest, most beautiful form of love. You might just find that you get a sense of peace and happiness in return. The more positive memories you make, the less significant the negative ones will seem in the long run. So, lastly, again we can say we have to forget the bad things and cherish the good things done to us. Here are some keywords of which you need to know the meanings clearly that will make you understand the text easily. Ruffled, not tidy or smooth, that is disarranged. Insist, to say firmly or demand forcefully, especially when others disagree with what you say. Shocked, to be offended or upset by something that is considered to be wrong or unaccepted. Engrave, to cut words, pictures or patterns into the surface of a metal or wood. Erase, to remove something. Nodded, to move the head down and then up again quickly, especially to show agreement, approval or greeting. Quicksand, deep mass of wet sand that sucks in anything trying to walk across it. Oasis, a place in a desert where there is water and therefore plants and trees in the surroundings. Dear students, stay safe and be blessed.